Who is the developer of the Java? Java is case-sensitive? In which year was Java officially released? Which company originally developed Java? What was the original name of Java? Which of the following is the correct way to declare a variable in Java? What is the output of the following code snippet? What is the size of an int in Java? Which method is used to find the length of a string in Java? What is the full form of JVM? Which data type is used to store a whole number in Java? What does system.out.println do in Java? Which operator is used for equality comparison in Java? Which keyword is used to declare a constant variable in Java? Which Java keyword is used to define a class? Which of the following is used to handle exceptions in Java? Which of the following is used to represent a character in Java? What is the default value of an integer variable in Java? What is the purpose of the return keyword in Java? How do you declare an array of integers in Java? Which symbol is used to concatenate strings in Java? What is the keyword used to create an object in Java? How do you write a single-line comment in Java? Which Java keyword is used to handle exceptions? What is the purpose of the import statement in Java? Which of the following is not a Java primitive data type? Which keyword is used to inherit a class in Java? How do you declare a character variable in Java? Which of the following is not a valid Java data type?
Thanks for watching. How many questions answered did you know? Comment below, and subscribe for more content.